Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this gold and black line art on Adobe Illustrator. I'm just gonna make it super simple here. I'm gonna get the pen tool and I am going to just color it white so you guys can see it first. And then I'll just create this line using this. Just move it to the left, but not too much, and then you're just going to use this anchor point tool to make it rounded. For the color, I just have this gradient color here, making sure you remove that inner part. Here I just created like a gold-ish and black gradient. And I'm just going to copy and paste that, and I will select reflect on that. Select it, object, blend, and then make. Object, blend options. And then do specified steps. Let's do like 15. If that's too much, just do 10. Copy and paste that, and we're going to make like a smaller petal. Like that. Okay, then you are going to select this rotation tool. Press Alt and then press the middle there. Angle, do like 20 or 30. Copy and press Ctrl D all around to duplicate. And that is pretty much it. You can obviously do other shapes rather than just this. It's just gonna take so much time if I like outline something else. But yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.